So, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
What?
Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. I guess this ain't gonna work very good. I got an ear infection in my ear. I can't hear anything. This is like being deaf. Well, I am deaf, but I don't have any hearing aids. Now I know what some of my friends feel like. So I think we're gonna have to wait on this video until I can get this ear infection taken care of. Hey everyone. Well, I tell you, it's tough when you can't hear. My ears are still a little plugged, but I'm starting to do better, and I only got a couple more days of medication, so hopefully things get done here. But if not, then I'll have to call the doctor again. We really hate going to the doctors and taking medication, but sometimes it's necessary. So anyway, hopefully we'll be getting past that real soon. This is Tigner Adventures. And today is our last day in Warner Robins. We have been here for just over 2 months. 2.5 months. Way too long. And it's been fun, but very hot, very humid. We like to go out and do things all the time, but Ninette's actually been having a lot of fun doing pickleball. So.
Yeah, they have a good group here.
Yeah, so they have a good group, and they, it's been fun in that sense. So, and we've been able to spend some time with our daughter and son-in-law, so that's been really fun. So we got to do a few different things. They work quite a bit, and my daughter's been involved and she does puzzles. She's got a business that does puzzles, and she makes the puzzles and everything. So they just got back from New York, or she had to go up to Boston to a puzzle parlay. That she is part of the group that puts that on, and so she's been really busy while we were here. So they just barely got back last night, and so that's all done for her. And anyway, you might want to check out her link if you love puzzles. they're pretty interesting puzzles. So, but she has a lot of fun doing that.
3 Cat Max.
3 Cat Max, yeah. So anyway, we are done with the whole thing. We're starting to pack everything up, and I just thought I'd just take a minute to kind of show you what we've been doing since we've been here, because we have been helping them out, have been getting some things done. And would you say, what's your favorite thing about being here?
You know, the cat had some freedom and had some fun.
Yeah,
we just took care of their 3 cats for a week, and
they have a really big yard here. So Tanzi's, we've been letting her run around.
She's gonna hate it when we leave.
Yeah, it's gonna.
Might as well let her have fun while she can.
Yeah, it's gonna be hard on her when we leave.
Yeah,
We know for sure. So, but we have some fun places we're gonna go up into the forest and things. So
she'll
get
like
back
on her leash and go on walks and have fun.
Yep. So that'd be good. So
pickleball's been fun. We had a family reunion here. The kids came and had fun. Yeah, we did a lot of work projects. So we did. Well, he did. Worked on the fence. David can show you the fence.
I'll show you a lot of the different projects we did. So
on the rock, and just put in a watering system. Helping them out. It's fun.
Yep, that's what when you're full time and retired. We're full time and retired, so it gives us the luxury to be able to do this. So even though being back east in the middle of the summer isn't necessarily the best time to be there, hey, we're here with our family, and that's what's fun. So we're able to help them out where they need help. They are helping us out too. So it's been a win-win for both of us. So it's a lot of fun.
Hi, what you doing? Your eye looks really good. Yes, it does. Yes, it does. You feeling good? Yeah. Oh, you're having so much fun? Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. You like this trailer, huh? Because it has all kinds of cool little places you can rub against. Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yum, yum, yum.
Are you trying to train Tanzi to do treats or tricks?
Yeah, trick or treat. Yeah.
Are you learning to do tricks, Tanzi? Huh?
Here. Come here. Come over here. He doesn't do much yet. Come on. Come on, get it. You're done too big. Come here. He's not doing food mode. Yum, yum, yum.
Still trying to learn the ins and outs of this gimbal. It's all over the place. Haven't quite got it down yet, but Tanzi's trying to learn new tricks, or at least Ninette's trying to teach her.
To come in.
It'd be nice if when she said come get treats, that Tanzi would actually come to the door and come in. She's really been enjoying her freedom here while we've been staying at our daughter's house. But sometimes she'd just rather stay outside even though it's 100 degrees, and it's like, no, come in where it's nice and cool. So, but she really loves being out here and checking out the outdoors every day.
Yeah, she chases frogs and lizards.
Has all kinds of fun.
Eats the grass. Tries to make friends with the other kids.
Yeah, our daughter has 3 cats, but they're not very friendly.
Hey. Oh.
And so, but they're not doing too bad. I mean, they can all be in the same room. It's not like they're fighting or anything, but
Right there, right here. Hey.
and if you give them enough catnip, then they'll all play together.
Hey. Right here. Hey. All done. Come here. Over here.
She goes, Dad's got too much cool stuff on this table I want to check out.
Hey.
Lots of tall grass around here, huh? You're just so curious, huh? Just checking every little thing out, just having so much fun. When we got here, the first thing we did was to add more refrigerant to our air conditioner. Then we helped Tommy, our son-in-law, clean his solar panels. And then the big one was that we actually put a fence in, or extended this fence. It used to be close up, or it used to be behind our rig, and then we actually made it so it's in front of our rig now, and gave him a lot bigger of a backyard. He wants to eventually have a door coming out that side, so that's why we did that. We also worked on a shed. He had a lot of it done. I just kind of helped him do the last finishing work. And it turned out really nice. It looks really good. This will be his little workshop and my daughter's workshop. Worked on putting gravel everywhere. Got 4 tons of gravel. Still got like a ton left, but put gravel so that when it rains it doesn't dig out all around their house. I also got to work on my antenna, and I got to meet the local ham groups. That was a lot of fun. Got Tommy involved. We put fans in our rig. Almost burned our rig up if you look at that video. Put a new toilet seat in, and also a new charger. So it's been going, a lot of things going on. Ran a low voltage cable, Cat 6 cable, so he could put a Wi-Fi router in his new shop so that they can use their lasers and stuff in there. And of course we had to get all our pills refilled and everything, so we did that, and so that was pretty good. And then I got to wash the rig. It hasn't been washed for 2 years. It takes so much to do to get it washed. Actually, it took me 4 days to actually get that done. But even that all going on, we got to do some personal trips, spend time with our family. So, and Ninette found her little groove of people and played pickleball almost every day. Tried to anyway. And they have some really nice courts here that they opened up, so that's pretty nice. Otherwise she just played inside a lot. So the inside has AC, so that's nice.
Okay, well that's it. This was kind of a quick video. Just wanted to get something out there for you, kind of show you what we've been doing for the last couple months. I've also been working on redesigning our website, so I'm trying to get that all finished. But if you go to our website, down at the bottom, there is a map. I think it's called our treasure map or something like that. But it actually shows, you know, where we're going to be, when, and you can kind of follow us as we make our little trek back to Arizona. We got some fun little adventures planned, and it should be pretty cool. And we're pretty excited, and we're also, you know, we are excited to get back on the road. And so, anyway, you can see that we've been busy, and it's been hot and humid. I don't think we're going to lose that. I think it's going to be hot and humid for a while, probably for the rest of the summer until we get back to at least New Mexico, Arizona kind of time frame area. So anyway, with that said, I'm just going to close this out at where we're at right now. We will be doing a lot now, so we'll be starting to find things and see things. We're going to head right off tomorrow. We're heading off is our actual, I guess that's going to be for you, it's going to be today that this gets released, but we're heading up to Columbia, South Carolina, and then the next day we'll take a little trip over to Myrtle Beach and look around a little bit. So, you know, I mean, we have different little things planned. We're going to go meet some people, see, you know, different things around the areas and things like that as we travel back to Arizona. So thanks for watching, and we'll just hope to see you down the road somewhere, and if not, then at least on our next video. So take care.